Let's be real, no one wants to look worse with time, but the truth is, most people are doing 7 small things every single day that are literally making them uglier. Now, you might think looks are all about genetics or luck, but I'm here to tell you that's wrong. The real reason most people slowly lose their looks has more to do with their habits than their DNA. And if you're wondering, why should I listen to you? Because I used to make all of these mistakes myself. My face literally changed after I started fixing them. Alright, let's get into it. 1. Sleeping on one side. Nowadays, you'll notice so many people have asymmetrical faces. One side looks puffier or flatter than the other. Most don't even realize it's because of sleeping on one side every night. When you press your face into the pillow for 7 to 8 hours straight, it slowly pushes and flattens that side. Over time, it changes how your face looks, especially your jawline and cheeks. I used to sleep only on my right side, and one day I noticed that side looked softer and puffier. Once I started alternating sides and sleeping on my back, things slowly evened out. Try sleeping on your back or switch sides often. Use a softer pillow. And remember, quality sleep itself is huge. Bad sleep kills your glow. Your skin repairs and your hormones balance only when you rest properly. 2. Facial expression. Some people walk into a room and no one approaches them. Not because they're ugly, but because their facial expression says, "Don't talk to me." It's what people call resting bitch face. When your expression is blank or tense, you look angry, tired, or unapproachable. I had a friend like this. He was a great guy, but people always thought he was mad. Once he started relaxing his face and smiling a bit more, people instantly treated him differently. Be aware of your face. Check your expression in mirrors or your phone camera sometimes. Loosen your jaw, slightly raise your eyebrows, and keep a calm, relaxed look with a gentle smile. 3. Touching your face constantly. Ever wonder why you still get pimples even after following a proper skincare routine and eating clean? It's probably because you keep touching your face without even noticing. You touch your phone, keyboard, door handles, and then your face. That's how bacteria spreads. Solution? Be aware. Every time you catch yourself doing it, stop. Keep your hands busy, clean your phone, and if you have to touch your face, do it with clean hands only. 4. Mouth breathing. If you breathe through your mouth most of the time, stop. Mouth breathing over time changes your facial structure. It can make your jaw weaker, your face longer, and even affect your posture. Start practicing nose breathing. Try mewing, keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. It trains your body to breathe correctly and strengthens your jawline naturally. 5. Never going out. Be honest. When was the last time you actually touched grass or sat in sunlight? Most people don't even remember the last time they got real sunlight. So many of us live like vampires, always indoors, no sunlight, no fresh air, glued to screens all day. But sunlight is crucial. It helps your skin, your mood, your sleep, and even your confidence. Without it, you start to look dull, tired, and lifeless. And you don't even realize why. Go out for at least 20 to 30 minutes every day. Walk, exercise, or just sit outside. Get some sunlight, breathe fresh air, and touch the ground. It's free therapy, and it literally makes you glow. 6. Dirty pillowcase. You might be thinking, how can a pillowcase make me ugly? Well, when you don't wash it for weeks, it collects oil, bacteria, and dead skin, all of which end up back on your face and scalp. That leads to pimples, irritation, and even dry hair. Wash your pillowcase at least once a week and switch to silk if you can. It's softer on your skin and helps reduce wrinkles and breakouts. 7. Blaming your genetics. Most people look in the mirror, don't like what they see, and say, "It's just my genetics." But the truth is, most of what makes you look bad is fixable. Bad habits, poor posture, junk food, stress, no sunlight, all that adds up. Look at all the glow-up stories online. People who went from average to amazing. It's not luck. It's small, consistent changes. If they can do it, so can you. And here's the key. When you call yourself ugly, your brain believes it. You start carrying yourself like that person. But when you decide to fix it, your brain follows that too. So these are the 7 sneaky things that might be making you look worse. And the best part? Every single one of them is fixable. Start changing one habit at a time and you'll literally start noticing a difference in just a few weeks. Comment down below what you want next, because I read every comment and your ideas shape the next video. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about improving every single day.